on, say it on the camera.
We don't drift. I don't drift. You don't want to race me, bro. What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. Right now we're in LA at the Los Angeles Convention Center over here at AUTOCON. As you can hear, cars are pulling in. Running like 20 minutes late. Got my boy Julio behind the camera. If you didn't already follow him, go show him some love. Let's get inside. Premium's already in there, and I want to go see these badass cars. TJ Hunt's here, Throttle's here, obviously, you know, Premium's here. But we're having a good ass time, checking some cars, meet some people, and just follow us along. Look at, I don't have a wristband, and I don't know where Premium's at, so we're gonna sneak in because I don't have to pay because your boy's broke. Put all my money into my car, you know what I mean? So hopefully they just like let us walk through. They don't say nothing. But yeah, what do you? We're security here. We are security. All right, guys. So you guys already know if you've been following my channel. This right here is Russ Taylor Z28. This right here is 100% goals. You guys know that I'm building my car for the track. This is 100% track car. Everything in here is track spec. And also too, I always talk to you guys about the Steve Christie composite front canards. Look at. So these are them right here. I believe, I'm about 100% sure those are Steve Christie composites front canards. So those are what I keep on talking about. That's what's gonna be on my car. This guy literally just took, I believe, first place last week. So shout out to you, Russ Taylor. But yeah, guys, check this car out. This thing is gorgeous. And soon my car will be 100% track car. Only being toned around and then drive around for some fun. But yeah, June 9th, it's gonna be fun. I wanted that. No, walking around over here. What's up, bro? How you doing? What's up, brother, man? All right, anyways, you guys know my boy Edwin. For Premium. Actually, Daniel and them, okay, well, we're all back here. They were just over there filming. But anyways, like, I'm walking around looking at all these cars that are wrapped, and like, it just gives me ideas, because like, I do want to go like just Army Green 100%, like go back to Army Green. But like looking at like all like, you know, Russ's car, like this Porsche right here, like looking at all these different wraps, like really opened up my eyes, like maybe want to do something different. So comment down below what kind of wrap do you do, or what kind of wrap should I do, and if you are a designer, maybe you can send me wrap and maybe I'll wrap it whatever you design, because I do like Army Green, but I'm not sold on a design yet.
It has to be a bright color.
Bright color, pink?
Bright colors. Pink.
Orange.
Let's go say what's up to Daniel. Daniel's over here. I see him. I see the little beautiful guy talking.
Hey, Look who I found. Right. Look what the cat drug in.
You guys are having a beautiful week.
How you like my balls on your stomach?
That thing's actually wrapped. If you guys didn't know, that's the wrap. This thing's super crazy. Super good. Look at the white bobber kit on it too. Originally, this is something that I was thinking about going with. So this is what the hawk over here. I'm gonna show you. So I was thinking the base would be like an Army Green color, but instead of like, see how this is all printed? It's all printed. It's not. Oh, they're not laid over each other. What's the right word for it, Christian?
Say again.
They're not. What? So this is not. This is printed.
So this is a printed wrap. It's very, very different from what we did on, say, Throttle's car.
Yeah.
Evan's car.
That was
where
layers.
Everything is layers.
So,
individual vinyl layers. So yeah, this is just a print.
I originally wanted to do like the base Army Green. So obviously you guys know Army Green, this color, and then do like different colors as in like the green and black, you know what I mean? But the base be Army Green. But this is dope. Comment down below if you think something like this would be dope on my Camaro. You guys are gonna help me pick. And actually, this is the designer. Him and Daniel are the designers of the wrap. So nice. So with that being said, I'm gonna really need you guys to be vocal. Comment down below, let me know what kind of wrap, and if you are a designer and if you want to share some of your ideas with me, send me a DM or send me email. Everything in the description, because the wrap is gonna be amazing. I know it will. Look who's here.
What's up?
And what did you recently join?
I joined the Wang Gang. If you guys didn't know, yeah, this.
Hashtag Big Wang Gang right now, because my boy joined it. Big Wang Gang. How do you like it?
I love it.
Do you feel different? Because I see that your rig is actually, you know, level with your hood, so everything's gonna be functional. I know it's chassis mounted. Yeah. And I know you didn't want to cut your bumper. You ended up cutting your bumper.
I cut my bumper. The reason being is because I wanted it to be functional, and where I wanted to mount it, it really wasn't. I had so much flex and play that there was no way I could stabilize it and make it work without creating extra like leverage and down and places where it wasn't gonna work.
So what you're saying is you sacrifice a look
Yeah.
for something functional.
Yeah.
My man. You know that's why I preach on the channel. It doesn't have to look good as long as it's functional.
Yeah.
Congratulations. The car looks amazing. Big wing. This thing's shooting fire?
Not right now. I had to pass smog.
What's smog?
Yeah, what's smog? What's smog?
Wait, have you got a ref ticket?
No, I just had to get smog.
Next year I actually want to be in.
Yeah. And
A moment of silence for my boy. You had to take everything out?
I had to take everything out.
Oh. Shout out to California trying to take our cars and our guns.
Yeah, thank you. My car is bone stock right now, but it won't be for long.
No, it is gonna be long. It will forever be stock.
Oh, forever be stock.
Yeah.
We don't.
Yeah. Look,
Turbo coming soon?
all show, no go.
That's,
Boom. Instagram and our YouTube channel. Whatever you want to do.
My YouTube channel is at Tyler Cordura. Same thing. You can find me on Instagram. It says Tyler Cordura. Yeah, Heavy will probably put
Big
it up.
Wayne Gang.
Yeah, Big
Oh,
Wayne
yeah,
Gang.
man.
Later.
See ya.
Dustin, if you guys don't know, me and him are supposed to be on the track soon. We premium wrapped this car. Came out super sick. Let's go say what's up to him real quick. What's up, brother?
Roadie forms mainly. Yeah. Then after that, I really want to go with the Lord DSX.
Oh, you did. You did. There you go,
I
brother,
appreciate
man.
it, man. Where's the premium squad at?
They were actually right behind me. That they got caught talking. So everyone's like walking around filming.
I got you. Come here. Come on.
Sean, bro, I think you missed the spotlight.
This is my boy right here. This is about to be American Muscle versus, what is yours? JDM?
It's
The
better
JDM?
than American Muscle?
No, it's not.
It's
Never
JDM,
than that.
it's JDM.
We actually hung out on Friday for Throttle's release for that car right there, and we just kept talking smack. And we got TJ Hunt involved into it.
He's ready to lose.
No, he's ready to lose. He knows he's gonna lose. He knows he's gonna lose. TJ Hunt knows he's gonna lose. The American Muscle's been making a comeback. We know it. That's what I'm talking about. My favorite filmer in the whole wide world. 500 a day. Remember that. Remember, don't take any less. What's going on?
What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
That's the second hug, by the way.
I love this.
We love you. We love you. Just leave us.
Tell me about your booth. What's up, man?
We got shirts, we got hats, we got lanyards.
Oh, you got the rest in peace. Oh,
Yeah,
Yeah,
rip.
dude.
rest in peace right here, bro. You guys don't know. You want to tell them what happened?
Some lady, drunk driver, hit it while I was parked in
Saw
front of
that
my
vlog.
apartment. Yeah.
That sucks. So, I need to get a line here. I need to get something. You know what? What do I want? What do I want?
What do you want?
I don't know what I want. You know what? How about this? I'm gonna buy something and then I'm gonna give away on the channel. How about that?
Giveaway?
Yeah,
Do it. What
right
do you
now.
want?
I don't know. You have to pick how we're gonna pick a winner. So hashtag
man,
whatever
this
you want to
is-
hashtag, and then you're gonna
Hashtag
pick the hashtag and you're gonna comment on it.
hashtag Dustin's Evo is better than his Camaro.
Hashtag.
Yo, people will do it.
All right. So what's the hashtag? Tell me one more time.
Dustin's Evo is better than El Jefe's Camaro.
All right. If you guys want to win, so what I'm going to do, this vlog goes up on Wednesday. You got to go pick a winner. When you guys go, just comment on it. Just comment winner.
What do they win?
I don't know. What am I going to buy? What am I going to buy?
This shirt.
You want to do a shirt? You want to raffle off a shirt? Well,
Yeah.
because then we have sizes.
Yeah.
Do.
What about this right here? Did these come together?
Yeah, I was gonna say just do
Let's do this
stickers
right here.
and a
Let's do
jet
that.
tag.
Let's do that right there. Stickers and a jet tag.
Yeah.
All right, we'll do a red thingy.
Thingy.
Good.
That's a technical term in case you didn't
Yeah.
know.
I'll take this red thingy and this other white jiggerbogger. All right, guys, go comment. Dustin Williams will be picking a winner, and if he doesn't pick a winner,
Dustin's Evo is
it's
better
Dustin's
than
Evo
El Jefe's
is better than
Camaro.
El Jefe's Camaro. That's the world's
Hashtag.
longest hashtag, but
It'll be
Julio,
about right
you'll
here.
Be, okay, cool. Right here, the hashtag will be right here. All right, it's for the YouTube fam.
Hope he doesn't hate me.
The owner. Oops.
Bro, 5 seconds in. He's got a minute and some change to go to win $100. We have a challenger.
There he is. You gotta do it. There you go.
So listen, there's chalk in that bag if you want.
Hey, don't let us down, Anthony.
It's nothing.
It's only 60 seconds.
He is up. He is up. So guys, hold the board. Average in the bar. The bar is unburied. It has the ability to move, but as you can see, it does not move if you do not move. Hold on for 2 minutes. You leave 100 there. $100 richer. It hasn't been that long. Hold on. That's where he's at so far, guys. I don't want him to get nervous.
I can't.
You can. Guys, cheer him on if you want him to win.
Anthony! 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 Anthony!
40 seconds in. Minute and 20 seconds left.
All you gotta do, a minute and 20. You got this.
Guys, if you want to win $100 bill, step on up.
Oh man, it burns. You got it. What's he at?
1 minute in, 1 minute left.
Oh, you're almost there. You're almost there.
Carport. 55 seconds away. Fight it.
There you go. You got it. You got it. And
1 minute, 11 seconds.
All right, he gets $50 back.
$20. Good job,
What up, bro, man?
Hey, good guy, man.
Yeah,
Good
you're
guy.
good, man. Good.
Meryl?
No, man, I'm Steve, bro.
What up?
What up, what up, what up?
So, shout out your Instagram. Shout out your Instagram.
BMW Boss Live 100.
Yo, we have been trying to get tacos for like 45 minutes, and it's been the hardest thing, and it's literally only been like 40 steps. But I just want tacos right now.
How'd you get these lanyards in your hand?
Shout out to Toyo for setting us up with a whole bunch of lanyards. I don't know if you guys want lanyards. There you go, boy. You want a lanyard?
They're free.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
You can't fight free, right?
Hey, sounds like it does.
I watch your vid.
Thanks, man. Appreciate the support, brother. I really do.
Hey, stay tuned for season 2.
Instagram.
Season 2's coming
Bro,
real
what's
soon.
Instagram?
CR27_.
All right, so we're just finishing up eating right now, talking to a whole bunch of people. My boy came up, part of the premium fam, YouTube fam. You want to take a picture, so I got to shout him out on the vlog. What's your Instagram, brother?
My Instagram's x5787.
How long you been following for?
Probably about like 6 months.
6 months? Yeah. My man. Appreciate the support, man.
When is he gonna get that follow back?
I'll follow back now. Right now.
Right
Instagram? We'll do it right now.
I'm down.
Oh wait, hold on, it's a little sweaty. Let's
Feel lucky he doesn't follow everybody back. I think this man deserves a lanyard too.
Oh yeah. I've been handing out these. You know, Toyo, so if you're watching this, your boy needs some new tires. Okay, it's stuck. Is that you? Boom.
Yeah, that's me right there.
Requested it. And you get a Toyo lanyard because
For sure.
I'm trying to get sponsored by Toyo. Thanks for the support, brother. I really appreciate it, man. $500, clip goes away. Yeah, so we found out that this guy has gas in his car right now. So we're gonna go fucking.
What? What'd you say?
Stick a fucking cigarette in his gas tank.
Okay.
And we'll see what ignites more fire than my mixtape.
Hey, you won't say it on the camera.
We don't drift. I don't drift. You don't want to race me, bro. But neither you nor me.
Okay, Verona.
Your car's like.
Verona.
Okay. $100.
$100. Verona
There it is.
Speedway.
When are we doing it though?
Whatever you want.
After
You
June.
gotta get.
Saturday, I made an appointment to get
Oh, you
my
are?
car wrapped. Yep.
What are you gonna do? You're wrapping the whole car?
Yep.
What?
STI.
This is the STI appointment next week.
Oh, nice. Hell yeah, dude. What are we doing to it? It's the 2015?
No, 2018.
2018. He's like, I got the nice front end. I got the nice front end.
I'm actually here just getting some ideas for colors.
Gotcha. So you haven't picked the color yet. What's your head
hardest
at?
thing.
What are you thinking?
Army green.
What?
Oh, your favorite color? Sitting on the gray side.
On the gray side? Okay, gotcha. So there's some dope grays. Matte grays always look good. You know, I think the first 2015 WRX I ever wrapped was satin gray. That shit was dope.
I saw it.
Yeah,
It
that
was
was
pretty sick.
dope.
I liked it.
Yeah, man. So it's crazy. We're running into somebody that we're gonna be wrapping your car next week. That's
I'm
rare,
excited.
bro.
Excited.
Yeah.
Alright.
Can't wait to do it for you guys. You guys take care of me today.
See you guys next
Absolutely.
Saturday.
Have a good
Always
one.
support, man. I always see you everywhere, bro.
Yeah, I'll see you next week.
Subscribe.
Alright.
Make sure you subscribe.
I'm subscribed
There
already.
we go. There we go.
It's so dope being at events like this where I hang out with the YouTube fam and the premium fam and just get to collab with you guys and just talk and just chill and just walk around and just like enjoy hanging out with the people that support me day in and day out. So thank you to everyone that I met today, and thank you to all my supporters. Thank you to all the YouTube fam. Appreciate it, guys. Let's keep walking around, and then we're gonna head out a little bit. because I still have to head up to Coachella Valley, which is kind of far away. We made it. We are out. My feet are killing me. Julio, how are your feet feel? Are they good? Are they good?
They hurt a little bit.
Shout out to everyone I met today. Shout out to every hand I shook. Shout out to all the support out there. You guys are freaking awesome. I love coming to these events. I'm gonna continue coming to the events. Hopefully next time my car will be at the event. So don't forget, do not forget, me and Dustin on the fly came up with a great idea to do giveaway. I have the sticker and the lanyard, I believe it is. So go, make sure you put the hashtag. He's the one that's gonna comment and let you know if you won or not. Then I'll get your address, I'll mail it out to you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, turn your post notifications on. Thank you so much for supporting Heavy and Modified Season 2. I'll see you guys on Friday. Oh my god. Do not fucking post that, Christian, you idiot. Oh my god. I hate you. Who hired this guy? Just save it, but don't post it.